Would you like to quickly and easily finish your business plan, turn your ideas into reality, get funding from lenders and investors, work with a trusted by more than 5,000 businesses, consultant, and much more? Why you haven't finished your business plan already? Typically, there are three reasons why you haven't finished your plan. You don't have the time, you don't know what to write, and you don't know how to do the financials. And the worst part is until you finish your business plan, you can't raise capital. You don't have a roadmap to grow your business. Basically, you are stuck. You can't grow your business. So your ideas just sit in your head, not doing you any good and certainly not helping you accomplish your goals. But don't worry, because I'm about to reveal how I am going to finish your plan in less than one-tenth the time it takes most people. But this presentation won't be online forever. So watch it now while I'm still available. Now, the single biggest issue preventing entrepreneurs from completing their businesses plans is that they don't know what to include in their plans. But before I reveal, I want to make sure that you know that I know what I'm talking about, because there are way too many companies and self-proclaimed experts online saying that they know how to create business plans. My name is Sipho Mohanedi. I'm a serial entrepreneur, and I'm the founder and CEO of WealthPoint Capital Investments. Since 1999, more than 100,000 entrepreneurs have used our training materials to start and grow their businesses. We've written business plans for over 4,000 entrepreneurs, and these clients have gone on to achieve pretty amazing success. Our clients have raised over 2.5 billion rands in capital. Our clients have generated billions of rands in revenue, and our clients have achieved massive wealth for themselves and their families. And many of our clients now have networks exceeding 100 million rands. And perhaps more importantly, the industry knows us and considers us to be the experts. We've been interviewed by every major media source, and SABC has gone so far as to call me the business plan expert, which was really flattering. I've even won the Sowetan Nation Building Trophy for writing a business plan. So the bottom line is this: I know quite a bit about business plan, and I'm excited to show you some key things so that you can be more successful. So let me get back to the promise that I made you at the beginning of this video. I told you I would give you a shortcut to allow you to complete your business plan. But before I tell you the shortcut and what you should do, let me tell you should not do. The first thing not to do is to use business plan software. With business plan software, you'll waste time installing it, learning how to use it, and answering useless questions. Worse yet, most software ignores at least half of the 10 critical questions that investors and lenders need. The other thing not to do is to use sample business plans to begin with. 99% of sample business plans were put together incorrectly. So if you follow them, you'll end up with a failing business plan. Also, when you follow simple business plan, you can't possibly show or answer the most important question, which is, why are you uniquely qualified to succeed? So now that you know what not to do, let me tell you what you should do. You see, because there wasn't a good way for entrepreneurs like you to quickly and easily amount of time. And it wasn't easy, but I'm thrilled to say that I did it. And it's called WealthPoint Ultimate Business Plan. Let me tell you exactly why my Ultimate Business Plan is perfect for you to begin. The WealthPoint Ultimate Business Plan is delivered to you as a Microsoft Word or PDF. So you don't waste time installing and learning how to use software. A Microsoft Word or PDF document includes the key answers that lenders and investors need answered. So I'll complete your plan expertly in few days, not weeks or months. And finally, remember the importance of your financial model. While this is another area where our business plan really shines, a business plan includes a complete financial model. So your entire business plan and financial model is included in one Word or PDF document that you can print or email. Well, my Ultimate Business Plan has you covered with 10 critical answers investors and lenders are looking for. I will also include best marketing tactics for you to use to get all the customers you can handle. All I need to do for you is select and briefly describe the ones that you'll use and grow things. Ultimate Business Plan presents exactly about yourself and your team members in the management section of your plan. And just in case you have any question at any time, our business plan comes with a free 365 days of free email support. So how's that for a shortcut? I've already done all the hard work for you. All you have to do is email it to lenders and investors and you're done. And the results are yours. You have a professional business plan for your business. In no time, you'll have a plan with a great business strategy and a clear roadmap for success. You'll have a plan to line up to fund your business. And not only will your plan be in an investor-proof format, but it will excite them rather than bore them like most other business plans do. So how much would you expect to pay for something like this? A proven 10 key method for developing a winning business plan in few days and not weeks or months. Well, before I tell you the price, 90-day money-back guarantee. That's how confident that my business plan will raise funding for you. Here's my promise. Purchase today, 100% risk-free, because WealthPoint Ultimate Business Plan comes with a full 90-day 100% money-back guarantee. If you fail to raise funding with our business plan, simply contact our friendly support desk and you will be promptly given a full refund, no question asked. Would you like to quickly and easily finish your business plan, turn your ideas into reality, get funding from lenders and investors, dominate your competitors, increase sales and profits, and much more? Plus, for today only, we are offering a 5,000 rand discount, so be sure to sign up right now. All below, and you'll be able to get your business plan written by an award-winning expert for a 5,000 rand discount. But you have to sign up today, so hurry up and click the link below this presentation. See you on the inside.